In this tutorial, we'll learn about how to create AI-generated images using Magic Media in Canva. While there are many AI generators available, at the time of this recording, Canva offers free image generation. Let's get started. To transform the text to image in Canva using Magic Media, do the following. First, navigate to canva.com. Next, sign up for an account or log in to Canva. From the dashboard, select Magic Media from the left navigation pane. Click your cursor in the box below the phrase, "Describe what you'd like to see." For the purpose of demonstrating this, let's imagine 3 birds on a porch of an island. We'll start with a simple description. Create an island paradise where 3 little birds are perched on the porch of a charming cottage. Here is the image it creates. Be specific. For example, say a charming cottage instead of a house. Use concrete, singular nouns and avoid generalities. For example, say 3 parakeets instead of 3 little birds. Use specific adjectives. For example, say 3 plumed in red, orange, and green instead of just birds. Add another character and encourage interaction. For example, 3 birds in a cottage setting is interesting, but wouldn't it be more interesting if something was happening? Here is how you begin to infuse storytelling into the image. Add this sentence to the image description. A man reading a newspaper on the porch smiles at the birds. Here is the new picture for the new prompt with the added character. Create an island paradise where 3 parrots, plumed in red, orange, and green, perch on the porch of a charming cottage. A man reading a newspaper on the porch smiles at the birds. Now, get even more detailed. Add emotion to add to the story. Tell the AI what to focus on or highlight. For instance, what would happen if one of the birds landed on the man's newspaper? Adding a conflict between what the man wants to do, read, and what the bird wants to do, perch and possibly be fed. How would the man react to this intrusion? Now you have characters, conflict, action, reaction. You are telling a story. Here is the picture of the new image generated with the refined prompt. Focus on the interaction between a man and 3 parrots on the front porch of a cottage in an island paradise. The man is smiling at a bird who has landed on his newspaper. Another bird pecks at the ground on the porch. A 3rd bird is flying toward the porch. Remember that you can also select the style or select the aspect ratio before you click the Generate Image button. When you have found the image you want, expand the picture to fill the artboard. Click Share and download a .png file. Add alt text to the image and cite it. It is generally good practice to document the AI program you used, the date you accessed it, the prompt you used, and the website. At the very least, mention somewhere that you created it with the help of AI.